Divide and conquer now and all hands on deck. There's no shortage of tasks to do, and we get the best guys on the job.
You're watching Olsen Spec.
What's up? I beat you to it, Sam. You're the media guy? Shop foreman getting the media of the new wheels before you do.
You know, I'm also doing other stuff.
I'm sending this video right to Janet.
Good. You better. I'm recording you recording me, and not the important stuff.
Beat him to it.
What are you doing? Good, I like how you're not even waiting.
I don't have to wait for you. Are you cool with that?
I don't know if I'm cool with that.
You're already
Good.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready
Do
for
you want
this.
me to like slowly peel it back, or you want me to snatch this off?
Snatch it off. Woo!
All right, the first thing I've got to say is thank you to HRE for providing us such amazing footage of our wheels being custom made here in the USA. That's right, their engineering, design teams, manufacturing, and shipping all happen out of their California plant. We have a really good relationship with HRE. We love supporting a US company, and quite simply, they are the best out there. No question. And we would have nothing else on any of our Olsen Spec builds.
No, it's for my Beamer. You didn't know that?
Yeah. That's baller.
Oh, okay. We definitely don't know if the wheels are approved yet by Dave. Dave? It's the usual Dave reaction.
Dave didn't get excited by anything.
That's right. That was a practice. Got like a 300 tire we're putting on that thing. I like the width. It looks pretty good.
She's thick.
Huge. Yeah, at least we can't put the back on that because the hub's not tight. You probably snapped the bearing in half at this point. Yeah, it's no problem for you, Dave. I gotta take them off anyway. Hopefully this is a... I think we opened it upside down.
You opened it upside down.
Mark, you guys usually roll with your zipper down in Minnesota?
Yeah. Why are you looking, Tom?
Everyone get the AC right there, man.
Well, let me get you excited, Mark.
What do you think?
I like it. You like it.
Good.
You know what makes you even more nervous when you're like making sure that all the measurements and all the specs were right, when we set the ride height, when we picked out the wheels, at least the wheel and brake clears. You know, that was one thing we were stressed about. But then, you know, right when we're over here trying to line it up and figure it out, we got this media guy right in our face, dude. Right in our face with this giant camera, you know. Makes you want to attack him, you know.
Good. Come at me.
I know, it looks good. I do like the color of the wheel. I think it looks pretty sick. Anybody know anything about crush sleeves? Dave?
They suck.
All right, you ready?
Like it moves, but then again, we're swinging.
Dave just rib caged me with the torque wrench. Let's make a claim for that.
Dave's pissed at you.
Now it's less, for sure.
How many pounds was that set to?
I don't want to look. There is no pound settings on that. We have to keep tightening it until we get the right amount of play. I think it's around 5,000, but I'm probably wrong because I'm definitely not the technician. So what we're about to show you on the gauge here. You also can't go at this with a giant impact and just keep tightening it until it stops. because if you over crush it, then you have to start all over again. Old car technology.
Yeah.
Or lack of. How many wheels you
There goes that one.
I'm filing an insurance claim.
Number 2. Well, we might be close enough that that one's done. I don't know.
What about the other side?
Don't worry about the other side.
Hey, it's top secret. Top secret.
Top secret, this is one of our best YouTube
I'm
videos.
not even allowed to go in this box. That's why Dave's here to supervise.
All right, I'm sure you want to know, what are the tire sizes of our HRE wheels? Well, on the front, they're 235 30 18s, and on the rear, they are some huge 325 30 18s. This thing has serious rubber to put down to the ground. So why do we choose HRE? Well, without a question, they produce some of the best quality aftermarket wheels out there. No questions, that's just the facts. Furthermore, we just think that their style and design choices pair beautifully with all the different Porsches that we work on. All of their designs are custom made, so we can get the exact style, color, look, fit, and feel that's going to pair up with what we need for our Olsen spec builds. On that same note, that's also why we choose Car Graphics as our exhaust manufacturer of choice. They are the best air-cooled exhausts that we have found out there from our years of experience. You can get them from absolutely loud and proud to something more OEM plus that's less in your face. And to top it off, they are absolutely beautiful to look at.
Car's coming along, Tim.
I know, I'm sitting here trying to make a list of things that need to be done without stopping Don's production, but it looks beautiful. Wheels came in, so a lot of this stuff takes forever to get because it's custom, but we're kind of down to the final road, so to speak. So exhaust is here, Car Graphics, the best. HRE wheels are here. We just did an unboxing video on them. They're the best. We woke the car up electrically. I know it doesn't look like we did, but we woke it up electrically. We tested all of our circuits. They all function well. We're still waiting on mirrors. Glass is going in today, and I want to get an engine in this thing and drive, but we got an inch of snow coming tomorrow, so that's going to be fun. But check back for updates as it comes together. I think the guys are doing a fantastic job, and my favorite part is how flush these wheels look. Take a look at that, Sam. Hella flush. I like that. And that's about the only way that we found to keep the chaos at bay. Dave's joints are more worn out than an old Porsche. Hey, at least you're not leaking yet.
That hasn't happened yet. That's still good. No leaks.